Hello,
Hello,
what is your name?
dance.
Gan, right? What letter is it?
A.
Very good. And what's the beginning sound of the letter A? Ah, very good. And what's this?
Apple.
Is it a happy apple or angry apple?
And the apple.
Angry apple. Now what's this?
Apple.
Very good. This one?
Ant.
Try again. Axe.
Ant.
Okay, and this one? Number 3.
Ant.
Excellent. And this one?
Alligator.
Try again. Alligator.
Alligator.
Very good. And
Ant.
apple,
Apple.
alligator Rex.
Alligator rat.
One more time. And
Ant. Apple. Alligator rat.
alligator X.
Alligator ant.
Perfect. Now what letter is it?
B.
What's the beginning sound?
B.
B, right? That's great. And this one?
Bear.
Is it a big bear or a small bear?
Big bear.
Big bear. That's great. What's this?
Bear.
Yes, this one?
Bird.
Excellent.
Bear.
Good boy. And
Banana.
banana. Do you like a banana? Okay, that's good. Okay, now can you try? Bear,
Bat.
bear,
Bear.
banana,
Banana.
bird.
Bird.
Now make it faster. Bear, bear, banana,
Banana.
bird. Ah,
Bear.
bear,
Bear.
banana.
Bird.
Excellent. What letter is it?
T.
Excellent. This is big
Big T.
and this is...
Small T.
What's the beginning sound? Again. K. K.
T.
Can you try? K.
T.
K.
T.
Okay, that's great. And what's this? Yes, it's a cat, right?
Tit.
But look, it's got a hat, right? A tie and glasses. Is it cool?
Tit.
Okay, so we call cool cat.
Two tit.
Cool cats. Now here, what's this?
Tit.
Cat, okay?
Tap.
Cup, okay?
Tap.
Car and...
Computer.
Excellent, good boy. Okay, so can you try? Cat.
Tit. Tap.
Mm-hmm.
Computer. Tap.
Now make it faster. Cat.
Red.
Cup.
Tap.
Computer.
Tap.
Ah, cat.
Tap.
Computer.
Tap.
Excellent. Okay. Now look at this story. So can you say story?
Story.
So now we have got 1, 2. How many pictures do we have?
P.
3 and
4.
4, right? Okay. Now look at picture number 1. So we have got an alligator here, right? And the apple.
An apple.
Yeah, what does the apple say? And what's this?
A alligator.
Yes. So the apple says an alligator. So can you try? And
An alligator.
yeah, okay. Now look at picture number 2. We have got a bear, right? What does the alligator say? A
B.
again, a bear.
A bear.
Yes. What about picture number 3? What does the bear say?
A bear.
This one?
A bear.
So
A bear. Banana.
yes, the bear says a banana. And then picture number 4. What does the apple say? It
It
is
is
a...
a cat.
Yes, it is a cat in the bear, right? Okay, great. Now can you try this one? Sight words.
Tired.
That's great. And
And
it
it
is.
it
Is.
it.
Very good. Hello, what's your name?
I is Alice.
So your name is Alice, right? How do you spell your name? A, okay.
L
L,
I
I,
C
yes.
E
E. So your name is Alice. Alice. 5 letters, right? Okay. What letter is it?
D.
D. Okay. This is big. D. And this is,
Small D.
yeah. What's the beginning sound of the letter D?
D is up in this mouth.
Okay. So what's the beginning sound of the letter D? Is it A? No. B? No. K? No. What's this?
The
D. Very good. What's this?
dog.
Yeah. It's a dog. Yeah. But look at it. Is it okay?
The dog.
Yeah. We call dizzy. So can you try dizzy?
It's a
Dizzy dog.
it's a dog.
Yes. Now what's this?
Dog.
Dog. This one?
This.
Okay. This one?
Yeah.
Can you remember? Doll.
Dog.
Okay. And this one?
Duck.
Very good. So try again. Dog.
Dog.
Desk.
Yes.
Doll.
Dog.
Duck.
Duck.
A doll.
A dog.
A doll.
A dog.
A dog.
A dog.
A desk.
A desk.
A duck.
A duck.
Now make it faster. A doll.
A dog. A desk.
A desk.
A desk. Duck.
Very good. Now what letter is it?
E.
Very good. And what's the beginning sound of the letter E?
E.
Very good. And what's this?
A is happy.
Yes, happy egg, right? We called energetic egg.
Any energy.
Yeah, so can you try energetic
Energetic.
egg?
Egg.
Yes. So a lot of energy. Now what's this?
Eggs.
Egg. This one?
Elbow.
Elbow, yes. Envelope.
Envelope.
Yeah. And this one?
Elephant.
Elephant. Try again. Elephant.
Elephant.
Eh.
Elephant.
Yes, very good.
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay, so can you try an egg, an envelope, an elbow, an elephant? What letter is this?
F.
F. Okay, what's the beginning sound?
L is the foot.
F. Very good. And what's this?
Fish.
Fish. Okay, we call funny fish. So can you try funny fish? Again, funny
Funny
fish.
fish.
Together, funny fish.
Funny fish.
Yes. What's this?
Fish.
Fish. This one?
Fan.
Yes.
No.
Farm.
Fan.
Okay, and this one?
Phone.
Fork.
Phone.
Fork.
Phone.
Okay, so fish, fan, farm, and
Phone.
fork. Okay. It is a,
farm.
yeah, it is a,
fan.
yeah, it is a fork. It is a,
fish.
very good. Now let's look at the story. Picture number 1. I see an,
Egg.
yes, very good. And then picture number 2. I have a,
Fan.
yes, very good. Number 3. It is a,
This.
it is a desk, yes. And then picture number 4. It is an
Elephant.
elephant. Okay.
Flyboard. I
See, have. Okay, that's great. Thank you. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Shita.
Cheetah. How do you spell your name? C and then H E E T A H. Very good. What letter is that?
G.
Again, what letter is that? Is that
G.
G? Okay. And what's the beginning sound?
G.
G. Very good. Now, what's this?
Good gorilla.
Yes, she is a good gorilla. And are you a good girl?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So this is a good gorilla. Now, what's this? Picture number 1.
Gorilla.
Gorilla, yes. What about number 2?
Good.
Excellent. What about 3?
Gift.
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 Okay, and then 4?
Girl.
Yes. Now let's try this. I see a gorilla.
I see a gorilla.
Next,
I see a
girl.
girl.
I
I see a gift.
Yes.
I see a girl.
Excellent. Now what letter is it?
H.
H. Very good. And what's the beginning sound?
Her.
Okay, that's great. And what's this?
Happy horse.
Okay, great. What about picture number 1? What's this?
Horse.
Yes. Number 2?
Hat.
Yes. What about picture number 3?
House.
Very good. Picture number 4?
Hot dog.
Excellent. Now try this. It is a hat.
It is a hat.
Yeah. It is a,
House.
yeah. It is
Is a
a,
hot dog.
great. It is
Is
a,
a house.
what letter is it?
I.
I. And what's the beginning sound?
E.
E. Very good. And what's this?
In.
Insect.
Insect.
Yes. And this is interesting insect. Very good. Now, what's this? Picture number 1.
Insect.
Yes. Number 2.
Ink.
Excellent. What about picture number 3?
Igloo.
Igloo. Yes. And 4?
Iguana.
Excellent. Okay. Good girl. Now, can you try?
I
Have
have
an
an
igloo.
igloo.
Next.
I
have
have
an
an insect.
insect. Yes. And then I
I have
an
an
iguana. Okay. And then
I
have an.
an ink.
Okay, that's great. Now let's talk about the story. We have got 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 pictures. Okay. Let's look at picture number 1. What does the boy say? I
I
want.
want a hot dog.
Excellent. What about the girl, the sister?
I see an iguana.
Very good. Do you like an iguana?
No,
No. Okay. Then picture number 2. What does the girl say?
this is a bear.
This is a bear. Do you like a bear?
Yes,
That's great. What about picture number 3? What does the girl say?
this is a gorilla.
Yes. So can you try again? It
It
is
is a gorilla.
Yes. And what about the boy? He looks a bit sad.
I want my bear.
So can you try? I want.
I
want.
want
Want. Okay. I want my.
my bear.
Very good. And what happened in the last picture? The girl says,
I want a gorilla.
yes, she wants a gorilla. Okay. Now let's read together. Sight words.
Silent.
Want.
One.
With a T sound at the end. Want.
Wants
This.
this.
My.
My.
Do you like letter G? Do you like letter H?
Yes.
Do you like letter I?
Yes.
Very good. Hello, what's your name?
I am Hoshi.
Ho Chi, right? How do you spell your name?
I am fine.
You are fine. Okay, so how do you spell your name? Like me, my name is B. It's B-E-E. Your name is Ho Chi. So how do you spell your name? It's H, right? And then O, and then S,
Yes.
H again,
I
and then finish, right? Ho Chi. What letter is this?
J.
J. What's the beginning sound of the letter J?
J.
Okay, and what's this?
Jumbo jet.
Jumbo jet. Okay. What's this?
Jumbo jet.
Okay, so this is a jet, right? This one?
Yam.
Yes, in Thai we call yam, right? But in English we do not call yam. We call jam.
Jam.
So can you try again? J, jam. J, jam. What's this?
Juice.
Juice. And this one?
Jacket.
Jacket. Yes, so we have jet, jam, juice, and
Jacket.
jacket. Can you try I want juice?
I want juice.
Yeah, and then I want,
Jacket.
yeah,
I want jam.
I want jam. Again, jam.
Jam.
And I want,
Airplane.
I want.
Jet.
Now, what letter is it?
K.
What's the beginning sound of the letter K?
K.
Okay, and what's this?
Kangaroo.
Yes, we call kicking kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Okay, now what's this?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. This one?
King.
Key. Again?
King.
Yeah, and this one?
King.
Yes, and this one? Kite.
Kite.
Okay, one more time. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Key.
Key.
King.
King. Kite.
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 Okay.
This is a key. This is the
Kite.
kite. This is the
King.
this is the ginger.
This is a kangaroo. What letter is it?
L.
Yeah, this is big.
Big L.
And this is,
Small L.
yes. What's the beginning sound? Oh, okay. What's this?
Lion.
Lion. Okay, so we call him lazy lion.
Lazy lion.
Yes. What's this?
Lion.
This one? Can you remember? Lamp.
Lamb.
Look at my mouth. Lamp.
Lamb.
Okay, try again.
Lamp.
Okay, and this one?
Lips.
Okay, and this one?
Lemon.
Okay.
This is my lemon. This is I.
This is my
This is my
lamp.
lamp. This
Is my leaf.
leaf.
Okay, and this
This
is
My
my.
lion.
Great. Now let's read the story. We have the boy and the girl. So look at the boy. That
That
is a,
Kite.
yeah, and what does the girl say? That
That
is a,
There.
yeah, okay, then look at the girl. What does she say? That is a leaf.
Leaf.
Okay, then the boy. Look at the boy. What does he say? I
I
like
like
the
the
leaf.
leaf.
Okay, and then what does the girl say? I like the jet.
jet.
Okay, and
And
the
jet.
this one? Kite.
Kite.
Yes. And then I like my hat. Okay. Now let's try sight words. Okay. That,
That's
like,
like
the,
the
and.
and
What's your name?
I am Dada.
Rada. Okay, that's great. Are you ready?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, let's go. What letter is it?
I am
Yes. What's the beginning sound? Yeah. M.
M.
Very good. Now, what's this?
Monkey.
Yes. And this is a very happy monkey, right? We call him Merry Monkey.
Mary. Monkey.
Excellent. Now, what's this? Picture number 1.
Monkey.
Yes. What about 2? Can you remember?
Milk.
Again, milk.
Milk.
Yes. What about picture number 3?
Money.
Yes. What about picture number 4? Mouse.
Mouse.
I like the mouse.
I like the mouse.
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 Okay, and then,
I like the money.
yes. I like the,
Milk.
okay.
I like the monkey.
Excellent. What letter is it?
N.
N, okay. What's the beginning sound?
N.
Very good. And what's this?
ไข่เหรอ
เขาคือถั่วลูกคือถั่ว Noisy nut.
น้อยสีน่ะ
Yes. Now look at this.
น้อยสีน่ะ
Nuts, okay. This one?
next
Okay. Number 3.
next
Yes. And 4.
nose
Okay. Let's try. That is ah.
that
That.
is not that is a nest
Very good.
that is no that is a nest that is a nest
What letter is it?
oh
Yes. What's the beginning sound of the letter O?
ah
Yes. And what's this?
ปลาหมึก
Yes. We call octopus.
แต่ต้องอยู่ในทะเล
Yes. Very good. So can you try octopus?
octopus
What color is it? Is it pink? Yes or no? No.
yellow
Yellow? No.
orange
Yes. Okay. Your friend is helping. So can you try orange?
orange
Octopus.
octopus
Orange octopus.
orange
Yeah.
octopus
Okay, great. Okay, now what is number 1?
octopus
Very good. What is number 2?
ox
Ox.
ox
Very good. What is number 3?
orange
Olive.
olive
Yes. What is number 4?
oxy
Ostrich. Yes. Now, Rada, can you try I see thee?
I see the
Very good. I see the ostrich.
I see the office
I see the
octopus
octopus. I see the olive.
olive
Yes. I see the ox.
ox
Okay. Now look at this. Picture number?
what
Yes. This is my.
nuts
Okay. That is my nut. Okay. Then,
picture number 2
yes. No.
no
It is my.
nuts
Yes. It is a.
monkey
Yes, monkey. And then picture number 3. Okay. Yes.
yes
It is
it
your. What is that?
nuts
Okay. Is that your
olive
olive? Okay. Then picture number 4. No.
no
It
he
is your.
olive
Okay. Now let's read sight words. Okay.
no
Yes.
yes
Your.
your
What's your name?
ต้นสน
Okay, Tonson. How do you spell your name? T.
O N S O N
Okay, Tonson. How old are you?
5
5 years old. Okay. Ready?
berry
What letter is that?
P
Very good. And what's the beginning sound?
P
Excellent. Now what's this?
peach
Yes, what color is the peach?
pink
Pink, right? So can you try pink peach?
pink peach
Very good. Now let's try this one. What is number 1?
peach
Excellent. What is number 2?
pan
Yes, pen. What is number 3?
panda
Panda. What is number 4?
Pineapple.
Very good. Now can you try? Is
Is
that
that
your panda?
Panda. Is that your panda?
Yes.
Is that your pineapple?
Mm-hmm.
Is that your white peach?
Is that your peach? Yes.
Is that your
What is that? Pen.
pen?
Very good. Now what letter is it?
Q.
Yes. What's the beginning sound of the letter Q?
Q.
Excellent. Qua. And what's this?
Queen.
So can you try quiet queen?
Quiet. Queen.
Yes. What's this? Number 1.
Queen.
Yes. What about number 2?
Quiz.
Yeah, quiz. What about number 3?
Quilt.
Yes. What about number 4?
Question.
Excellent. Is this
These
a
are
quilt?
quilt.
Is this a
Question.
Is this a quiz?
Quiz. Is this a pin?
Okay. What letter is it?
R.
Yes, R. And what's the beginning sound?
R.
R. Excellent. This one, what's this?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. And it's a racing rabbit.
Raising.
Very good. Now, what's number 1?
Rabbit.
Yes. What's number 2?
Rose.
Yeah. What about number 3?
Right.
Rice.
Rice.
Excellent. And what about number 4?
Robot.
Yes.
That is
Your
rice.
rice. That is your rose.
rose.
Okay. That
That
is your
rabbit.
yes. That
That
is
robot.
okay. Now let's look at the story. Picture number 1. The queen says, I am the
Queen.
queen. Yes. I want a
Rose.
okay. Then picture number 2. Look at the robots. What does he say? That is a small
Bear.
panda.
And
Yes. And look at the panda. What does he say? That is
this
a big what?
big robot.
Big robot. Yes. Then picture number 3. Look at the panda. The panda says, I have the
Quiz.
it's not a quiz, it's a rose.
Rose.
Yes, so can you try again? I have the rose. Okay. Now picture number 4. What does the queen say? I like my
Rose.
rose. Okay. So can you try sight words? The first word.
M. Small. Big.
Excellent.